Did you know your morning coffee could do more than just wake you up? If you're over 50 and have noticed your legs feeling weaker, climbing stairs taking more effort, or your balance not being what it used to be, this could be a simple, life-changing habit. Imagine walking to the mailbox without feeling tired or climbing a flight of stairs without wincing or holding onto the railing. By making just a few easy additions to your coffee, you can give your body the nutrients it needs to support muscle recovery and strengthen your legs, something that becomes more important as we get older. These aren't complicated shakes or expensive supplements. They're safe, easy, and something you can do every single morning to start feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to add to your coffee, explain why it works for people over 50, and share a simple routine that helps rebuild leg strength safely. Stick around by the end, you'll know exactly how to start your mornings in a way that boosts energy, balance, and independence. As we age, it's normal for our muscles to slowly shrink and lose strength, a process doctors call sarcopenia. Many people over 50 don't even realize it's happening until tasks that used to feel simple, like climbing stairs or standing up from a chair, start feeling harder. Your leg muscles are especially important. They're not just for exercise or looking fit. They support your balance, keep you stable, and help you stay independent. Strong legs make everyday activities easier, whether it's walking around your neighborhood, carrying groceries, or playing with your grandchildren. Studies show that maintaining leg strength can significantly lower the risk of falls, which is one of the most common causes of injuries in adults over 50. And the good news is, even small, consistent steps can make a big difference. You don't need to spend hours in a gym. You just need the right combination of nutrition and simple targeted movements to keep your muscles active and strong. Now that we know how important strong legs are, let's talk about one of the simplest ways to start rebuilding muscle: protein. Protein gives your body the building blocks it needs to repair and strengthen muscles, especially the ones in your legs that keep you stable and independent. The best part is, you don't need complicated shakes or expensive supplements to get this benefit. You can add protein right to your morning coffee, and it works surprisingly well. Collagen peptides, for example, are easy to mix and gentle on the stomach. They support not only your muscles but also your joints, which is important as we get older. Whey protein is another great option because it's fast absorbing and helps your muscles recover more efficiently, giving you more strength throughout the day. If you prefer a plant-based choice, there are smooth, easy-to-mix powders made from pea, rice, or mixed plant proteins that work just as well. By simply stirring 1 scoop of your chosen protein into your coffee each morning, you're giving your body a nutrient boost that sets the stage for muscle repair and improved leg strength. It blends right in, so there's no strange taste or gritty texture, and it becomes a small but powerful habit that supports your mobility and energy. Later in this video, I'll show you a few gentle exercises that work perfectly with this coffee routine, so you're not just adding protein, you're actually using it to rebuild real strength and improve your day-to-day movement. Coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up. It can actually help your muscles perform better throughout the day. The caffeine in a moderate cup of coffee helps your nervous system communicate more effectively with your muscles, making movements feel smoother and a little easier. This can be especially helpful for seniors who notice stiffness in the mornings or feel their legs getting tired faster than before. When you combine this with protein in your coffee, you're giving your body both the energy to move and the building blocks it needs to repair and strengthen muscles. Even small movements, like walking around the house, climbing a few stairs, or doing gentle stretches, can feel less tiring and more controlled when you start your day this way. Over time, this combination of coffee and protein doesn't just give you a temporary boost. It supports consistent muscle activity, helps maintain leg strength, and keeps your joints more responsive. In short, your morning coffee can become a simple, practical tool for improving mobility and energy, setting a strong foundation for the rest of your day. If you want to take your morning coffee routine a step further, there are a few simple ingredients you can add that provide extra support for your muscles and overall energy. For example, a small amount of MCT oil can give your body clean, easily usable energy and may help your muscles make better use of the protein you just added. Cinnamon or cacao powder not only adds a delicious flavor to your coffee, but also brings antioxidants that support circulation and help reduce inflammation, which can make your joints and muscles feel more comfortable throughout the day. The key is to keep it simple. You don't need to use all of these additions every day. Just choose one or two that you enjoy and see how your body responds. Over time, incorporating these natural extras into your coffee can enhance your energy, support muscle health, and make it easier to stay active, giving you more strength and confidence in your movements. While coffee and protein give your muscles the nutrients they need, movement is what actually builds strength. The good news is, you don't need a gym or fancy equipment. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day of gentle, targeted exercises can make a real difference in your leg strength, balance, and overall mobility. Simple movements like sitting down and standing back up slowly from a chair can strengthen your thighs and glutes. Lifting your heels up and down while standing helps your calves and improves balance, making everyday tasks feel easier. Even stepping up and down on a low step can boost leg power and stability. The key is to start slow, focus on your form, and progress gradually. Over time, these small movements add up, giving you more energy, stronger legs, and confidence in your everyday activities. Before you get started, it's important to keep a few safety tips in mind. Always choose high-quality protein powders that don't have added sugars or unnecessary additives. If you have any medical conditions, especially related to your kidneys or heart, check with your doctor before beginning a new routine. And remember, it's far better to start gently and be consistent than to push too hard too fast. Small daily habits create lasting results, and consistency will help you maintain strength and independence for years to come. So tomorrow morning, try adding protein to your coffee and combine it with a few gentle leg exercises. Take note of how your body feels and stick with it for the next few days. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below which coffee addition or exercise you're going to try first, or share a morning routine that already works for you. Your experience could inspire others to take that first step towards stronger legs, better balance, and more energy each day. Rebuilding muscle and stronger legs after 50 is absolutely possible, and it all starts with small, consistent steps. By combining simple morning habits, like adding protein and a few natural boosters to your coffee, with gentle, targeted exercises, you can feel more energized, move with confidence, and maintain your independence for years to come. I want to hear from you. What will you try first? Will it be adding protein to your coffee, stirring in a little cinnamon, or doing your first set of chair squats tomorrow morning? Comment below and share your plans or your progress. Your story could inspire someone else to take their first step towards stronger legs and a healthier, more active life. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more tips to stay strong, energized, and independent after 50. Remember, every small habit counts, and today is the perfect day to start.